There's a certain magic to the bond of a mother and daughter, a connection woven with threads of love, laughter, tears, and even conflict. But what happens when that bond frays, when distance and disconnect replace proximity and understanding? Imagine for a moment a garden filled with flowers of all sorts, colors, and fragrances. Each flower, unique and beautiful in its own way, contributes to the overall allure of the garden. Just like the flowers in a garden, every relationship brings its own charm and uniqueness into our lives. But as any gardener knows, nurturing a garden is not a one-time job. It requires patience, time, and a lot of love. There will be days when the sun is too harsh or the rain too heavy, and the flowers may wilt. But with proper care and attention, they bounce back, more resilient and vibrant than before. This is an apt metaphor for the relationship between a mother and a daughter. It requires constant nurturing, understanding, and forgiveness to bloom. The bond between a mother and daughter is unique, and it's okay to acknowledge that it may not always be picture perfect. There can be disagreements, misunderstandings, and even periods of silence. But remember, just like the wilted flowers, this bond too can bounce back, given time, attention, and a lot of love. Grudges are heavy to carry. They burden the heart and cloud the mind. It takes strength to forgive, to let go of past hurts, and to start afresh. And it's not just about the other person, it's about your peace of mind too. Yes, it's easier said than done, but the first step towards reconciliation is always the hardest. It's about reaching out, about extending an olive branch. It might feel uncomfortable, scary even, but it's a step worth taking. And remember, communication is key. It's not just about talking, but about listening too. Understanding the other person's perspective, their feelings, and their struggles can go a long way in bridging gaps. In conclusion, a mother-daughter relationship, like a flower in a garden, requires constant nurturing, understanding, and forgiveness to bloom. It's okay to have disagreements and misunderstandings, but holding on to grudges can be more harmful than helpful. It takes strength to forgive and let go, but it's a step towards peace and reconciliation. Remember, the first step is always the hardest, but it's a step worth taking. Communication, not just talking but listening too, is essential in bridging gaps and understanding each other better. Every relationship has its ups and downs, but with patience, love, and understanding, it can bounce back, more resilient and vibrant than before. After all, the most beautiful flowers bloom after the harshest storms.